fly again. We'll pull your rank, we'll pull your pilot's license, and you'll be dog. And my dad says, yes, sir. He says, you will not talk about this ever again. This didn't happen. Don't tell your wife, don't tell anybody.
50 years.
Yeah.
How did he?
I'm afraid I'm going to have to pull rank on you. I didn't want to have to do this. I'm with the mattress police. There are no tags on these mattresses.
You ever know me to pull rank on you before, Bernsey?
No, sir.
Well, then take my word for it. This time it was necessary. I got a little job for Frau Hoffmeyer tonight.
Except that isn't Frau Hoffmeyer.
English Idiom Challenge. What does pull rank mean? Correct answer is use one's authority or position to get what one wants. Pull rank means to use your higher status, position, or authority to make someone do what you want, especially when they wouldn't normally agree. Examples: when the meeting got heated, the manager pulled rank to end the argument. He didn't want to wait in line, so he pulled rank and went straight to the front. Like and subscribe for more idioms.